Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here, taking it from this to this. If you want to see how you can revamp your bob wig, your blonde cut wig, please keep on watching this video. The first thing I'm going to do is to completely detangle the hair, and that is by brushing the hair from the tip all the way to the top. And I also bleached the knots on the lace because it wasn't bleached, and I tried my best not to overdo it. And then I washed the closure area with the purple shampoo, and I'm washing the hair with this other shampoo, which is the Revitalized Color shampoo. I just apply the shampoo all over the hair, wet the hair, and just massaged it and allow the hair to lather to take out any dirt that is in the hair. Then next I use water to rinse off the wig, and after rinsing it off completely, what I'm going to do next is to condition the hair rather. So I'm going to apply this Tresemme 24 hours volume conditioner on the hair and massage it all over the entire hair, and even apply more if I feel like the product is not sufficient, just to ensure that the hair is truly well conditioned. Then next, I'm going to apply my Moroccan argan oil keratin treatment all over the hair. I'm being very generous with this product because I want to ensure that this hair gets that tender love that it needs. Then I also applied castor oil just to ensure that the hair is really well moisturized, because the hair was really dry. When your hair is very dry, it's prone to getting tangled. So after I put that treatment on the hair, I actually heated it up in a microwave for about 3 minutes. Then I proceeded to rinse off the hair. And after rinsing off the hair, I dried it, and this is what it looks like after the hair was dry. So what I'm going to do now is to section away the upper part of the hair and clip it on top. After clipping it on top, what I'm going to do is to start brushing through the bottom part of the hair, and then also moisturize it with my Moroccan argan growth oil. After moisturizing it with that hair serum, what I'm going to do is to also spray my heat protectant spray, this one right here, and I'm going to comb through the hair and start straightening it in really small sections. You know how we do it if you watch my other videos. I try to work in small sections, even if I might cut like 2 layers of the hair, like the lower part and a top part. Even if I straighten that large chunk, I'm still going to go in between to straighten it in a smaller section, just to ensure that the middle part of the hair is not left out. So I'm going to keep on straightening the hair from one side to the middle side to the other side. And you notice that as I'm straightening the hair, when I get towards the bottom part, I sort of take the hair to go in an inward direction to sort of form a bob, because I noticed that this particular hair had that bob pattern to it. So that's the reason why I have to style it as a bob, because if I styled it to be straight, it might not really stay straight. So I decided to just style it as a bob. But probably next time, if my client sends his hair back to me, I'll probably style it as a bone, like the straight hair. But I just wanted to do the bob hair in this tutorial. So you notice that I comb through the hair. When I started getting towards the bottom part, I sort of just take the hair to go in an inward direction. Yes, that's what I did. And I comb through the hair and I straighten it, and when I start getting towards the bottom part, I just tongue it, or rather take the hair to go in the direction that I want it to go after I come through it. And after I'm done with this bottom part right here, I'm going to take more chunks from the up part that I clipped away, and also cut out the section I want to start working with, and clip the rest of the hair away. And then I'm also going to moisturize the hair using my Moroccan argan oil serum, and also spray my heat protectant spray on that section of the hair that I'm about to work with, and comb through the hair to ensure that the hair gets all of the product that I just put in it. Take out the small section and start straightening the hair in small sections. So you see that small section that I cut out from that large chunk that I already moisturized. Then I comb through the hair and I straighten it. I get it to go in a pattern that I want it to go. I take another section of that hair, I straighten it, and I get it to go in a direction that I also want it to go. If you're watching this video so far and you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, sis, bro, what are you waiting for? Join the family. Please click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside that subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from me. You always know first when I come on live on YouTube, when I upload a video on YouTube, when I have something in my community section for you. I'm just sharing my thoughts over there. You always be first to know what's going on. in this our community. And also, if you haven't purchased our ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, even the paperback is also available on Amazon rather. And you can get the links to purchase these ebooks in the description box of this video. Yeah, and I also sell wigs on Instagram, also on my website. So if you want to purchase wigs from me, or you want me to revamp your wig for you, you can reach out to me on Instagram. You can reach out to me via my website. You would see a WhatsApp link there if you are in Lagos, Nigeria, for revamp services. And then if you just want to purchase a wig from me and you're anywhere in the world, I can ship the wig to you through DHL or any other logistic company that ships goods all over the world. So back to the tutorial. So you notice that I've actually progressed in terms of how far I've gone with styling this hair, and I'm still doing the same thing over and over again. The key thing when it comes to styling hair is patience. If you don't enjoy styling hair, you might just find it frustrating, because you notice I have to do the same thing over and over and over again. For me, doing hair, it's another opportunity for me to just be at peace. I could be listening to an ebook when I'm styling hair. I could be watching a YouTube video. It's just it's like a peaceful thing for me. I'm somebody that really likes peace. So styling hair it's like I really enjoy doing it. I don't know how to describe how I feel when I do hair, but I enjoy doing hair. As much as, yes, it could be time consuming, the beauty of it is I get to do it while I'm able to multitask. I could be reading, and also not like reading passive reading the book. I could be listening to a book or listening to a video on YouTube. That's also learning, and also still getting better in terms of working on wigs and the rest of it. So I get to do two things at the same time, and also film a tutorial for you to watch and learn how I do the things that I do. So right about now, I'm styling the closure area. You notice that I also did the same thing, which is apply my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the closure area, spray my heat protectant spray, and also use the hair wax to lay the flyaway hairs that are on the closure area, because most closures, in fact all closures frontals, typically have short strands in it because of how hair is usually ventilated. So that's the essence of using a hair wax, because it just helps to lay the flyaway hairs down. And I cut the hair in small sections. I apply the hair wax, and I get with straightening the hair all the way to the tip, and I sort of blend it in with the rest of the hair, because I noticed that the owner of this wig, they use the shorter closure compared to the length of the hair. And for me, whenever I make my wigs, I always try to use longer length closure, so that the hair on the closure area meets with the rest of the hair, the bottom part. If I probably was trying to achieve a 12-inch hair look, I would use a 14-inch closure, just to ensure that the closure is not shorter than the rest of the hair. For styling the closure area, of course, your hair wax, your heat protectant spray, your small comb, your coiling wand, or your hot comb. Just comb through the hair to ensure that the hair lays flat in the direction that you want it to be. I styled this hair to be a middle part, and yeah, I think it's really beautiful how it is. I'm going to cut the excess lace in front, because unfortunately the person that made this wig puts the closure too backward. I would have preferred if the closure was a bit more forward than this, because it just looks better when it's that way. But either way, I'm just going to cut out the excess lace in front, and then I'll trim the bottom part of this hair, because I noticed that the hair is not really equal, it's not really well balanced at the bottom part. So I'm going to use my clipper to trim the bottom part of the hair after I've completely cut out the excess lace on the closure area and taking out any unnecessary thread that was hanging around. So yeah, it's time to cut the hair. So I'm going to use my clipper now to just take out any part of this hair that I feel like is too long, or is just unequal at the bottom part. So that's why I'm using my clipper to do this. I comb through the hair, and I just see any part that is not even, and then I just use the clipper to even that part out, and I keep on going until I've completely done the same thing all over the entire hair. If you're watching this video and you've gotten to this point, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this entire video. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment, leave a love emoji in the comment section. Let me know that you're truly you're really a real one. Thank you so much for reaching this far into this video, and I really appreciate you. I hope that you have an amazing day, and God blesses you with whatever it is that your heart desires. So guys, this is the finished look. Just see how lovely this hair looks. Yeah, I really like how it turned out, from how the hair was very frizzy to it being very smooth and easy for me to comb through. I'm quite sure my clients are going to be really happy with how our wig looks right now. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to go to my website to purchase my ebooks, wigs from me. This is what we started from, and you can imagine what we are ending with. The difference is so clear, and I'm so happy with how this wig turned out. So go to my website and make sure you also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates from us whenever we come on live on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember, people would have courage, live a positive life, and have an amazing day. Check out my other videos. I love you. Bye.